What's up, guys? Trip Dub Triple Double Sports doing a 2007 UD Black Break. Sorry the camera went dead. First pack was Garrett Atkins out of 75. Here's pack 2. Hopefully I make it through. Tried to pick the heaviest boxes I could, but it doesn't seem like there's any patches going on here. Let's see. Numbers. This is by the numbers or something like that. If we can get the damn card out. Don't ruin it. Looks like A's. That's never good. Joe Blanton out of 55 prominent numbers. So if anybody's looking to trade or buy these two, I'm putting them up. Alright guys, talk to you later.